Welcome everyone to JavaScript Programming Language course for beginners. This video is an introduction to JavaScript. You will also see the source and reference for this video. I hope you'll be able to follow along this entire JavaScript course. Coming up next are the ESLRs. As you watch this video, please bear in mind about our ESLRs. And these are right thought, right communication, right attitude, right conduct, and right lifestyle. The intent of this video is to show you some JavaScript exercise. For JavaScript exercise number 1, please log in to Google Classroom for the JavaScript exercise. Before I will end this video, I hope that you will learn your first coding in JavaScript. Thank you for watching this video.